Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Shazib Tech. Today topic is observation of virus stage of mitosis and meiosis by slide models charts requirements. Charts are models permanent slides showing different stage of mitosis and meiosis. Compound microscope theory: cells increase in number by dividing themselves. The method is called cell division. Usually there are two methods of cell division. One, mitosis. It is the type of cell division in which number of chromosomes remain same in daughter cell as that of mother cell, i.e. diploid mother cell producing diploid daughter cell. Two, meiosis. It is the type of cell division in which the number of chromosomes is reduced to half, producing haploid cells or gametes as together cells, daughter cells. Procedure: take a chart or model of mitosis and observe the different phases of nuclear division, karyokinesis, interphase. This is the phase prior the cell division. In this stage, the chromatin network is intact within the nuclear membranes. Prophase, first phase of mitosis, in which the following changes can be observed. A centrosome appears with two centroles surrounded by fine threads, forming an ester in plant cells. The ester is not formed and centroles are absent. Chromatin network break into separate chromosomes, which become shorter by coiling process. Each chromosome consists of two chromatids. Denuclear membranes disappears along with the nucleus in the end of this phase. Spindle is formed at the place occupied by nucleus. Metaphase chromosomes get attached to the spindle fibers by their centromeres at the equatorial plant of the spindle. Each chromosome attached with a separate fiber of spindle. Anaphase, each chromosome splits into chromates which move to the opposite poles. Thanks for watching.